To operate the table, you're going to start by rotating the travel latch at the top of the table and then lifting it up to release the table. Once you've done that, you take the table leg and you slide it forward towards the front of the van, but don't put it all the way out yet, because if you do, you're not going to clear the other side of the bed frame. So clear that first, then put the leg all the way out, and there you go. You got your table down. So the table can be moved anywhere along the support bar on the bed. So you can just easily lift it up, and if you want to bring it back towards the back of the van so you have better views outside your back doors, you can put it there. So when you're ready to put it away for travel, just make sure you bring it back to that front spot so that the table will realign with that travel latch up top, and then you just repeat those steps in backwards. So put the leg back by sliding it forward, rotate, and put the table in its locked position, and there, you're ready for travel.